Hello to all my Lovin light beings, welcome back to my station. For those of you who are new, my name is Shawn Ivan D. If you'd like to join the Secret Sacred Shadow Spirit Society, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe below. Today we're going to be unboxing our Glossybox. I had received this in the mail a few days ago. Here's what the inside looks like. Beautifully fit. This is actually a pamphlet for cyber aerobics. It goes into depth about a 6-week program that you can get. You visit Cyber Aerobics online, log in, register your email or Facebook account, fill in your name and date of birth, redeem your promo code, and click activate. Then you click confirm and get started. It's a 6-week program, and there's actually a lot of recipes in here. I was kind of surprised. They look pretty yummy. This first one is for energy balls for on the go. It's made with almonds, cashews, oats, dates, chai seed, dried cherries, and coconut flakes. And then there's also kale chips made with olive oil and seasoning salt. There's a California pizza made with cauliflower, 1 egg, goat cheese, dried oregano, and a pinch of salt. There's morning and afternoon boosts. The first one's with tangerines, grapefruit, and strawberries, and then the second one's made with banana, any type of berries, fresh or frozen, peanut butter, and your favorite protein powder with a little bit of milk. Then we have healthy pancakes made with bananas, eggs, rolled oats, baking powder, salt, and the fresh fruit of your choice. So that's kind of interesting. And the last thing on here is a healthy chicken burger. 2 chicken breasts, oil, chicken seasoning, oregano, garlic clove, avocado, corn kernels, red pepper, lemon juice, 2 whole wheat bread rolls, reduced fat mayo, and 1 cup mixed salad leaves. So it's pretty interesting. I might actually try out some of those. They sound pretty good. So this month's Glossybox, the theme is look good, feel great. So let's go ahead and open this up. That's what the inside looks like. They always come with these nice, pretty bows, pretty pink boxes. This one actually came on time, so I'm super excited. First thing that I see on here is La Roche-Posay Effaclar Towelettes oil-free face wipes. Full size is 25 wipes for $9.99. Just one swipe of this gentle face wipe will clear away makeup, impurities, and even microscopic pollutant particles. This no-rinse formula, which is packed with skin-clearing ingredients like micro-exfoliating lipohyaluronic acid, also tightens pores and helps refine skin texture. Awesome. It says I get 25% off your order of $65 or more using the code GLOSSY18. Offer valid from 4/1 through 5/15. I'm actually going to try these out, and I'm hoping they're way better than the Neutrogena. I've been using those since forever, and I noticed one thing is they really burn my eyes, so maybe this will be better, and I so like the hyaluronic acid in this. So I'm really looking forward to trying those. That'll be super awesome. The next thing I see is this, and it says Rituals by Rituals USA. Foaming shower gel. Full size is $15, 6.7 fluid ounces. So that's about 5 times this amount. It says start each day with a dose of happy. Rituals cult favorite gel to foam body wash boosts your shower experience with uplifting natural essences that cultivate feelings of peace and positivity. Massage into a lather and get foaming to feel totally renewed. Scents vary. In the beginning it says this is the celebrate each day as a new beginning. This is in the scent organic rice milk and cherry blossom. Awesome. I think I'll actually give that to my mom because I have this body wash that I really love by Jack Black. The next thing we got in here is Karl Lagerfeld and Modelco Baked Blush in Rose Beige. The full size is $44 for 0.01 ounce. This is 0.12 ounces. So this is actually $44. It says, "Welcome to spring. This gorgeous baked blush from Karl Lagerfeld and Modelco serves as the perfect highlighter which will make you glow seemingly from within. Thanks to micronized pigments that brighten and highlight every complexion, you will look natural but radiant all day long." And I'm glad I'm sitting here because I wanted to show you this. See, this is what this looks like. The packaging is exactly the same as this, and they look very similar. This one's by Dosa Colors. This is what I had received in one of my other subscriptions in the shade Prosecco. It looks a little bit more pink. So let's see. This is the Karl Lagerfeld and Modelco. Very peachy, very nudish color. Now let's compare that to the Dirty Little Secrets. Yeah, they're a little different. The Dirty Little Secrets is a little bit more pink. So I would actually say this is more of a blush and this is more of a highlight when they're actually switched. So that's pretty interesting. Baked highlighter, baked blush used as a highlighter. That's really awesome. Really like those. Super pretty. So the next thing in here is the Brow Gal by Tanya Crooks. Eyebrows are still at the top of our beauty to-do, and today's in-demand look is all about fullness and the perfect arch. Achieve it with this high-performing brow pencil, which blends easily to define and shape. A hot yoga session has nothing on this pencil. The innovative formula is also sweat and water resistant. Colors vary. And this is in the shade Chocolate. Oh, awesome. It's got a sharpener on the cover, a little spoolie on the end. This is 0.04 ounces or 1.2 grams, and it's in the shade Chocolate. So let's go ahead and swatch that. Oh, I really like that. That's an awesome shade. That'll work really well for me. That's pretty cool. I like it a lot. Yes. Very natural looking. It's not like when I use a black, it just stands out. That looks really nice. Awesome. We just went and got my mom a new brow pencil. She went and got the Anastasia Beverly Hills in the shade Charcoal. She really loves that one. So that's pretty awesome. Thank you, Brow Gal. And the last thing we got in the Glossybox is this La Roche-Posay Effaclar. Oh no, sorry. It's number 3. This is the Olution I Love. Full size is $37 for 0.5 ounces. And this is 0.5 fluid ounces. So this originally goes for $37, sorry. Break rules, it says on the back. Looking to step into your day feeling and looking as refreshed as possible. Thanks to more than 65 active organic ingredients, this detoxifying formula helps the delicate skin around the eye area bright and smooth. That's what it says. To increase the efficiency of eye love, apply with soft pats. Sorry guys. That's for my giveaway. I was just trying to cover up the outlet there. It's like an eyesore to me. As I was saying, to increase the efficiency of eye love, apply with soft patch starting at the inner corner of your eye and moving towards the outer corner, which is what I do anyways. So that's really awesome. Love eye creams. I've been going through them a lot lately. I've been trying to do them ritually in the morning and at night after I cleanse. Sorry. Let's just take that down. So yeah, I'm a huge fan of Taylor Swift's. As I said in my other haul video, I bought this at Walgreens. I have one for myself. I've been listening to it in my car. I love it to death. I especially love her hit singles, Look What You Made Me Do and Ready For It. If you guys haven't noticed already, they're in my intros. And I actually found one of those snaps on Facebook, and I absolutely love it. So I've been using those in my videos. I know that you can't get monetized for them, but hey, you know the reason why that I'm doing this is, like Susan Anthony says, is for the love of it, for the love of it all. I'm very passionate and addicted to makeup at this point. I never thought that I would be here on YouTube doing these type of videos, let alone putting myself out there. But hey, you only live once, and it's all for the fun of it. I really appreciate all your guys' love and support, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. I think I'm going to continue and do a look for you today. I know it's been a while. I apologize. I've had some stuff going on. Maybe I'll talk about that a little bit later. But I love you guys so much. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. See you in the next one.